I'm thinking that I probably should have done that roof yesterday and leave that coffin or box or cabin, whatever you want to call it, for today, but I thought the weather is gonna be the same both days, but I didn't check out the weather forecast, so it rained or snowed on the night time. Not bad, but still maybe 5 centimeters. So now all the stuff is on the snow. This roof thing is a little bit bigger than I thought in the first place. In the beginning I thought it would be just over there, but we thought maybe it should put on that door also, so the water won't fall just in front of the door. And it's not even 2 meters deep now, that roof, but let's see how it works. I don't know, I'm not sure if I got enough wood to make it, but we'll see. So here we are with the roof building on Blacksmith's workshop, sort of. Roof is on, and it's about 1.7 meters other way and about 4 meters on the other side. It's not definitely any green come through Blacksmith shop, but better than nothing. At least I won't get rain on on the tools. But I think I got quite a lot to do still. I have to make better those poles somewhere from down here over there to the corner, and same thing on the other side. Those are just temporarily ones, and I probably have to build small wall over there so the snow won't come in that way. This way it's much better because the roof goes on longer. And then I might have to make one pole to carry it on, or 2 poles on the corners, but I can't do them now because the ground is frozen and I can't dig it and lay a concrete thing over it. So, but it's a bit hard to do videos over here because it's so noisy, so much cars and wind and all that. That's about it. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Ding ding.